Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Now we will summarize our today's lecture, that is the respiration and energy from food. Now what is respiration? Respiration is a biochemical process which occur inside the living cell, during which organic food is broken down into carbon dioxide, water and energy is released. Now here the word biochemical process mean कि the process which takes place, the reaction, या हम कह सकते हैं कि that is the biochemical process या biochemical reactions are chemical reaction that takes place inside the cells of the living things. That's why we say it is a biochemical process which occurs inside the living cell, during which organic food is broken down into carbon dioxide, water and energy is released. Now we have two types of respiration. That number one is known as the aerobic respiration, the second is known as the anaerobic respiration. In the aerobic respiration, aerobic means in the presence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration, one molecule of glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid, and then the pyruvic acid, it is completely oxidized into carbon dioxide, water and energy. That is the sketch of glucose. One molecule, यहाँ अगर आप देखें C6, it means carbon 6. One molecule of glucose, they are broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. And then we get from the pyruvic acid carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now anaerobic respiration means takes in the absence of oxygen. In anaerobic respiration, incomplete breakdown of glucose molecule takes place and only a small amount of energy is released. It occurs in cytoplasm of the cell. Here you can see anaerobic respiration. Again, one molecule, the first step is same just like the aerobic respiration. One molecule of glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. Then the pyruvic acid, because here the oxygen is absent, the oxygen is less, so the pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid. It means incomplete oxidation of pyruvic acid takes place. As a result, it is converted into lactic acid. Then the next is the processes which are involved in aerobic respiration, या हम कह सकते हैं what are those processes. Those processes, there are three processes involved in aerobic respiration. Oxygen is taken to the cells of the body by the blood. Energy is released by the reaction of the dissolved food with oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water are taken back to be breathed out into the air. Then we have discussed the respiration, that is the diagram human respiratory system, the organs which are involved in the process in the system of respiratory system. Nose, voice box, that is the voice box, or it is also known as a larynx. Then that is known as the windpipe, another name is trachea. Then the trachea, they are divided into two branches. They are known as bronchi and its singular is known as bronchus. Then the bronchus, they are further divided into small branches, and these small branches are known as bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles, a small sac-like structures are present which are known as alveoli, and at the end a dome-shaped structure is present which is known as diaphragm. First, the air entered through the nose. In the nose, the mucus and the hair are present which are known as cilia. These hair are known as cilia. So it trap the dust particles in from the air. When the air goes into the windpipe, here it passes from the voice box or the larynx. The wall of the voice box is made up of thin cartilage, so when the air passes from it, then it vibrates. As a result, the sound is produced. Then the air comes into the windpipe or the trachea, and then it comes into the bronchus. From bronchus it comes into the bronchioles. They are present in the lungs. Bronchioles, bronchus and alveoli, they are present in the lungs. Now this tiny sac-like structure, the air it comes into a tiny sac-like structure which are known as alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by blood capillaries in which a diffuse or dissolved food is present, so the oxygen it react with the food. As a result, carbon dioxide, water and energy is produced. Now when we breathe out, then the carbon dioxide, water and small amount of oxygen is also breathed out. Thank you.